How to make changes with Ubisoft account age. Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can make changes with your account age. So in order to make changes with your age on Ubisoft account, first of all, log in into your account by opening up a web browser, and then on the web address bar, type in account.ubisoft.com. So this is gonna take you to the official web page of ubisoft.com. Make sure that you're already logged in as well. After you're logged into your account, you need to go to the left hand side section and click on account information. This is going to take you to the account information page. So over here you'll be able to see a minor details regarding your account. If you scroll down a bit, and on the step number 2 there is private information. Underneath you can see there are multiple options, so click on the edit button. As you can see that you'll be able to make changes with some specific things, but there is no such way to change your reason as well as your date of birth. So unfortunately you'll not be able to make changes with your date of birth and then a country of origin that you've used while registering your account. If it's emergency, what you can do is you can get and help of a customer care. For that, you need to open up a new tab, visit the link that is ubisoft.com/help/account. Now this is going to take you to the help center page where you'll be able to see a lot of articles and search results on how you can actually make changes with your account. So you can scroll down a bit or links stating that to change the date of birth on your account, please contact us. So basically by contacting our customer support team and stating about the issues, you might be able to get an help and you might be able to change your date of birth. Make sure to give a valid and a reasonable reason so that your matter can be looked further. In this way you can change age on Ubisoft account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.